Okay, here's a quick easy recipe to mix your own saline solution to be used for nasal irrigation. Using the little packets and the bottle, you can take care of allergies. I used to have allergies. I use this twice a day, once every morning, once every night. I no longer have allergies. Okay, the recipe is you use a gallon of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of regular salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and this lasts, it makes 16 of these. When I do it, what I do is first I take a measuring cup and I put some room in the jug so that I can mix the salt. So I remove a little bit of water, put a funnel in, then I put in my 2 tablespoons of salt. You can adjust the mixture to whatever's comfortable for you, but I have found 2 tablespoons salt, 2 teaspoons baking soda is what I use. There's 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and then I put the lid back on, shake it up really well, make sure the salt is thoroughly mixed in. Then I pour the rest of the water back in the top. And I put the lid back on, and this will last me for 8 days, twice a day for 8 days, 16 times. And why do I do this? These little packets of salt, when you buy them with the bottle, it comes out to about 20 cents a packet. If you buy the refills, you can get them for as low as 12 cents a packet. But when you add that up, when you're doing it twice a day, every day of the year, it gets pretty expensive. To use the packets costs about $12 a month. The salt and baking soda in this jug costs about 4 cents. The jug of water costs 94 cents. So this right here was 98 cents to make. If I use my own boiled water, the cost is only 4 cents for the whole gallon. So anyway, it can save you some money. Also the convenience of having it all pre-mixed up. So the simple recipe: 2 tablespoons salt, 2 teaspoons baking soda. Hope this was helpful.